Hello everyone, today we are going to solve a murder mystery.
Really?
Really?
Yes, you heard right. We are going to solve a murder mystery and we will solve this murder mystery using only SQL script.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious. Yeah, we will solve this case using only SQL script. There is a web-based game called SQL Murder Mystery, and you will have there like a virtual database, and you will have some couple of relational tables over there, and you will get some primary hints. That's how you get started. So this is your detective Ahsan.
Detective!
Sit tight and let's get started. SQL Murder Mystery. And this is very helpful to those who are actually learning SQL Server, SQL query. That this is very helpful. You can improve your SQL script writing. So this is the background, SQL Murder Mystery. So what we have here. So this is the background. A crime has taken place and the detective need your help. The detective gave you a crime scenes report, but you somehow lost it. So you vaguely remember that the crime was murder. So we have one thing, the crime was murder, and that was occurred sometime on January 15, 2018, and that is it took place in SQL City. So we have actually three information. The crime, that was actually murder, that was bold, that is our information, murder, and date when it was happened, and the place where it was happened. So now you can check your database structure here. You can see here, let me see. Okay, this is the schema diagram. So this is all the tables. So in our database we have like couple of tables: get fit now, check-in, interview, get fit now, member, Facebook event, check-in, crime scene report, person, solution, driver license, income. We have lot of information, but we have only three baseline. We have like the murder, crime was murder, and date was January 15, 2018, and place is SQL City. So how you can find it? At first we can check.
Let me think.
From which table we can check? We can check from crime scene report. We can check from crime scene report because there was date. So we have only information about date and type. Maybe we can check what kind of murder, what kind of crime occurred, and description and city. This is our entry point where we can actually get into it. Okay, let me just quickly run a query. We just want to know all the information, whatever information here. So our select query we can implement here. Select start from, and the database table name is crime. Is any report. Okay, let me run it. So we have lot of information here: date, type, description, city. So we can narrow down it. How we can? So we can add some condition here. So where date, at first our date, we need date. Our date equal to date. What was the date? Date was January 15, 2018. Okay, so this is the how they write. At first year, then month, then date. Okay, we can copy from here and we can change it. So January 15, right? January 15 should be this query, 2018 January 15. Okay, we have the date here, and we can add another condition and type equal to, since it's character, then we can use invited comma murder. Okay, let me check, double check. Yes, murder. And we have another information, city equal to, let me just copy the SQL city spelling from here. SQL city, copy and paste it here. Okay, SQL city, yeah. So this is our statement. Select star from crime scene report where date equal to January 15 and type is murder and city equal to SQL city. Let me run it. So we have one information here. We can check the description. Security footage shows that there was a first witness living in the last house of Northwestern Drive. Second witness name is Annabelle, lives somewhere in Franklin Avenue. Okay, so we have detailed information here. Let me copy this information. Notepad. Okay, let me paste it here. So security footage shows that two witness. So we have two witness. First witness live in last house Northwestern Drive, and second witness. Okay, this is your first witness and this is your second witness name. We have one information for first witness, that is his house is last house on Northwestern Drive. Okay, and second is we have name, but I don't know this is first name or last name, and the place. Okay, let me check where we can find this information. We can get this type of information from here, I guess. We have name here, we have address number, address, street name. Yeah, we can get information from there. Okay, at first we can check select statement. Select star from person. Let me run it. We have lot of information, I guess. We have to add some condition. So let me just find out first witness. Who is our first witness? So last house of Northwestern Drive. Okay, let me copy this address information, address number. So this will be address, street name. Okay, where address street name equal to inverted comma, then we can paste it here. Just run it. So we have a couple of information. Add another condition. We have information about, so the person live last house on the Northwestern Drive. Okay, so we can actually narrow down from address number, order by address number, address number. Okay, order by address number. Let me check. So it's actually showing from the first house. We need actually last house. So if we add some DESC. So it will order by descending order. Okay, so let me run it. So we got our last house. This is the last house, and this is the SSN number, and this is the ID, and this is the name, Morty Shaprio. Okay, let me just copy this information. We got our first witness. First witness information is here. This is our first witness, name, ID, everything is here. Let me find out our second witness. Second witness name is Annabelle. Okay, we have information, specific information. Okay, let me delete the all condition. So now we can add condition based on name, where name equal to Annabelle. Run it. Okay, no data return. I don't think there is. Okay, let me add anything like Annabelle. Nothing is here, so we can add another information. I don't know, Annabelle is first name or last name. I will add like and percentage, add percentage before Annabelle and last. Okay, we have few Annabelle here. Now we have another information, that is living somewhere Franklin Avenue. So copy this one and add another condition, and address, street name. Okay, let me quickly copy this one. Address, street name equal to, copy this information, Franklin Avenue, and paste it here. Yeah, we got our second witness. Copy this whole information. Second witness information is here. So all right, so now we got our witness. Now what? Let me check our table. So this is the ID, and ID is primary key, and here is the another table called interview, and person ID actually equal to ID. So this ID actually same ID as person ID. So we can use let me use this interview. Okay, we have lot of information, person ID. So we have actually, so this ID same, so we have this ID and this ID. Okay, interview where person ID equal to this one, and again we can use same command. Next one, copy this, paste it here. Now run it. No data return. Okay, let me just quickly, okay, person ID. Okay, if I want to get both information, how we can do that? In we can add this command. Yeah, I think it will work. Yeah, so we got both information here. Let me copy this quickly, copy this one, then we will just read out. Okay, so first witness actually saying I heard a gunshot. So there was a gunshot, and then saw a man ran out. He had a get fit now gym bag. Okay, that means the murderer actually had like this gym bag. That means he goes, I assume, like he normally work out, and the gym name is Get Fit Now Gym. The membership number on bag start with, okay, we have specific information. Membership number also mentioned started. Okay, the first started, and only gold member have those bag, and man got into car with the plate. Okay, we have lot of specific information for first user. Okay, first. Okay, then let me check where I can find this information. So Get Fit Now member, I can get ID, person ID, name, membership start date, membership status. Okay, let me just quickly check. Okay, Get Fit Now member. Okay, we have this information. Now we know the murderer actually has membership status is gold. Okay, let me just copy this one, this column name, add condition where equal to gold. Okay, let me check how many gold membership. Lot of, we need more specific information. We have membership ID here, and we have also membership ID here. Back membership number. Okay, so we can use this number and started number. Okay, and so this ID, membership ID, I guess this one. Okay, ID like, paste it here and use percentage. Okay, we have two information here. Gold, this is membership date. Okay, person ID, everything we have here, but I don't know which one. Okay, only gold member. So we have this information already. We have, let me just narrow, only gold member, this man. Okay, we have another information. The man got into a car with a plate that includes. Okay, we have number plates here. Okay, I don't know this is first started or this last number, but we will use a like command. Okay, so we have ID, person ID. Okay, this person ID, this person ID, and this is the driver license ID, driver license. Okay, we can actually join here. License. Okay, let me check. Drivers. Okay, let's take and leave driver's license. Okay, we have a lot of information here. Now we have which information? Plate number. where plate number like copy. Okay, I don't know, is the first digit or last number. I use percentage before and after. Select name. Let's put a dot name. Okay, or p dot name person from person p. Let me see. Okay, yeah, it is right. P dot id. Okay, at first name id, and what do we have? And also driver license. We need plate number. Okay, join. Okay, left join. Drivers license, let's call it D. On, so we can join. Okay, D equal to D dot ID equal to, this is the P dot license ID, P dot license. AC license ID. Let me check whether this count is right or not. Okay, this script is right. Now we can add where p dot id in, we have two information. This is, we copy both of them. Okay, let me run it. Okay, that's great. Now we have two information here. Let me add license plate, and license plate number is from driver license, so we can add and plate number actually from where, plate number actually D, so D dot plate number. Okay, let me just plate number like percentage, and we can add this number. Okay, let's, Jimmy Boar's actually murderer, so we found the murderer.
Congratulations.
Okay, now check your solution. Did you find the killer? Okay, we got the killer. Now insert your name, Jimmy Moore, and just run it. Okay, congrats, you found the murderer, but wait, there are more If you think you are up the challenge, try querying the interview transcript of the murderer to find the real villain behind the crime. If you feel especially confident in your SQL skill, try to complete this final step with no more than 2 queries. Use this same insert. Okay, new suspected to check. So we have to use only 2 queries. Whistleblowers we know, and we have their ID, and this ID actually for interview ID, so we can actually find out from interview. So select star from interview where person ID equal to this one. Okay, no, person ID this one. Let me run it. Yeah, I was hired by women with a lot of money. So killer actually women, and she has lot of money. I don't know her name, but I know she's around 5 feet 5 inch, around 65 inch or 5 feet 6 inch 7 inch. Okay, so around 65 inch to 67 inch we have killer height. She has red hair and she drive Tesla model. Okay, we have lot of information here. Tesla car model we have. I know she attended SQL Symphony concert 3 times in December 2017. Let me just copy this one. Select name. Okay, person p dot name from. Okay, p dot name from person. We have to join lot of join from person, and we have to define person as p. Okay, so we need person information here. We need name. Let me add also ID. P dot ID comma. So we need hair color. Hair color should be, this is D. I will define as D. Left join, driver license, and define as a D. Height, we need height. D dot HEIGHT height. We need gender. D dot gender. Okay, we have to add this join based on D dot ID equal to, okay, D dot, I mean driver license ID equal to person P dot license ID. License ID. Okay. What do we need? Do we need annual income as well? Annual income. Okay, annual income I will define as a I, and let me just join it. Left join income define as I based on I equal to SSN. Okay, I dot SSN equal to P dot person dot, okay, SSN, and this is SSN. Okay, P dot SSN, so same SSN and SSN. Okay, and what we have information, drive a Tesla car Model S. Okay, car. Okay, we don't need lot of information here. We can actually make condition where D dot here color equal to, what was the color? Red. Red. And height between, okay, height ACICH, height between, height between 65 inch to 67, 65 and 67. Let me just run this query first. Okay, we have another condition, and gender equal to female, and okay, gender D gender, okay, D dot gender to female. Height, we have that height, red, name we don't know, okay, and okay, just 1 second, we can add car model and car. Car make, car model. Okay, this is from driver, so D dot, let me run it. Okay, car make is Tesla, and car make equal to Tesla, car model, and model equal to Model S, Okay, we have another condition. Person ID, event ID, event name. We know the event name. Like she went where? Symphony concert, SQL Symphony concert. Okay. And no, Facebook. I can actually, okay, 1 second. Just paste it here and we can just add here. Left join Facebook event check-in as F on the basis p dot id equal to f dot person id. Okay, now we have f and okay, we can add another information, event name we have also information on 3 times in December 2017. Event name, date. Okay, this is the event from Facebook. Now we can order by income, order by I dot annual income descending and date between 17. Okay, so December, right? December 01 and $31. Okay, let me run it from, oh yeah, I have to change it. Okay, we got the murderer. Yes, she actually went 3 times and this is her annual income, female, height is 66, red color, and this is the name of the actual killer. Let me copy this one. Who? Let me run it. Congrats, you found the brain behind the murder. Everyone in SQL CTL, you are greatest SQL detective of all time. Time to break out champagne.
An unsolvable case?
Clap on, clap off, clap on, clap off. The clapper.
So we found our murderer.